Hello everyone, this is Shane Norman with Graco. Today I'm going to show you how to install a PM Series meter onto a hose reel. The tools we need for this are a couple crescent wrenches and a little bit of pipe sealant. The first step is to unbox your meter. We're going to go ahead, lay the meter out along with the extension and the nozzle. Now I want to mention that our meters are shipped from the factory with the default preset being 4 quarts. If you would like to change the default preset, we're going to go ahead and wake up the meter. Then we're going to press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds. You'll notice a little LED light came on. And now the first screen you get to, it says ADDL. That's additional dispense limit. Right now it's set at 1 quart. So the additional dispense limit is the amount of top-off limit you allow your technicians for when they're topping off from a dispense. So if they do a 5-quart dispense, then the meter will also allow them to top off up to 1 quart, and that's usually a good setting. So we're going to go ahead and save that 1 quart additional dispense limit. The next screen is units. Its default from the factory is in quarts, so if you want to change that, you simply can do so. We're going to leave it in quarts. And then we get to our default preset by pressing the reset button one more time. Here you can see it's set at 4 quarts. If you want something other than 4, you can use the 10 key, 1.0 key, or 0.1 key to change that default preset. So now I set that default preset to 5 quarts, and then you press the reset button again to lock in that new default preset. Now, we're going to go ahead and install the extension and nozzle onto the meter. You'll notice on the extension, there's 2 sides to it, and one side has a jam nut. The jam nut side needs to go onto the meter. And we're going to do that so that way we can orient the extension to the right orientation that we want. We'll use the jam nut to lock it in place. Now we're going to go ahead and take the nozzle out of the bag that is shipped in and attach that to the extension. Again, using your crescent wrench to tighten that nozzle onto the extension. Now we're ready to go ahead and install it on our hose reel. The first step will be to add a little bit of pipe sealant to the threads. Next, we will then install our meter onto the hose reel. Tighten the swivel by hand until you can no longer tighten it. Then we're going to use our crescent wrenches to finish tightening the swivel. Usually you want to go about 1 turn past finger tight. Now you're ready to put fluid to the meter and purge all the air out of the meter before you use it for an actual dispense into a vehicle. And that's how you install your PM Series meter.